Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw the extra slide from Trevor Henderson. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with extra slide, we're going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm going to just make a line that's going to curve up and then down, with a little line right across here. Then I'm going to leave some space. I'm going to do the same thing. Little line that's just going to curl up and down, and a little line right here to connect it. Starting here, I'm going to make a little circle shape here, and another little kind of sad face shape here. I'm going to add a small half circle inside each one, and then just color the rest in. Now, starting here, we'll start over here. I'll draw a little line that's just going to curve up, and it's going to come down a little bit higher than this part. Then over here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come all the way over to here. Make a little line that goes straight across, and then we'll just make a little line that goes right around the edge here. Then over here, I'm going to make a line that goes out. It's going to curl around and then come back. Starting here, I'm going to make two lines going down, one here and one over here. Going to draw another one going down on each side, and a little line across. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes down to here, and I'm going to take this line down a little bit farther. Now, starting right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to curve, and it's going to come down, and it's going to go right to about here. Then, starting here, we're going to make a line that's just going to curl around and down. And then I'm going to curl this one up, kind of like a circle shape that's not all the way closed. Next, I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and then over to here. And then inside of here, we want to add a big circle shape. So I'm just going to make a nice big circle shape inside of here. Let's connect this line down. Then I'm going to start here, and I'm going to curve this line right up to here. Now, right inside of here, I'm going to draw a straight line across, and then another straight line across. And I'm going to make some lines that just kind of curve up and down for some teeth. And same thing here for some teeth. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and it's going to come down. Little line that goes out and comes back. One more that goes down and up, and then one more that goes out, and it's going to come up and then go right back to here for like a little arm. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that comes down to about there. Make a line that goes down and up, down and up, and down and up. Then we want to come all the way up to here. I'm going to make a little line that goes out to here. And then we're going to bring a line that comes down to here. Next over here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and that's just going to come over. And then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down to about here. I'm going to go out and up, down and up, down and up, and then I'm going to bring it right up to here. Over here, I'm going to make two little lines that come down. And I'm going to make a little line that goes right to here. Right here, I'm going to make 2 little lines. And then I'm going to make a couple little skinny lines right in there. Over here, I'm going to make it a little line that goes out and down, a little line that goes down and up, down and up, down and up, over, and then back here for another arm. Then starting over here, I'm going to draw a little line that curves down, and then one more here. And I'm going to make a couple little lines right in there for some detail. And right back here, I want to add one extra kind of leg that we could see, so I'll draw one that goes down. And we'll just make those kind of 3 fingers like we did before and go up. And there you go. There is your drawing of Extra Slide from Trevor Henderson. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.